how to make over 20 million Kenyans to watch your videos. Thank you for clicking, because I know you're a YouTuber or upcoming YouTuber. So welcome back to Obakhas Geeks. My name is Patrick. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 content ideas that will make over 20 million people to watch your videos here in Kenya, and we're going to start right away. First idea, upload football highlights. Kila msee anapenda footballers ni wengi sana in Kenya here. Kwa kuna game between Man U or Chelsea, edit those videos and upload on your YouTube channel. Before uploading those videos, you need to add your voiceover, or else at the end ukienda kumonetize your YouTube channel hautakuwa accepted, utakuwa hit na reused content error. So you need to add your voiceovers, then upload those videos on your YouTube channel, and you'll get more views that will lead to more subscribers and more engagement on your YouTube channel. Another idea, upload trailers. Kila msee anapenda kuwatch movie, so kama kuna any new trailers, just upload them on your YouTube channel, and again add some unique work or your original content with those trailers, and that will also lead to more views, more subscribement on your YouTube channel, that will lead to rapid growth of your YouTube channel. Another thing is how to videos. So kila msana kujanga YouTube kutafuta solution to some problems. The most popular how to videos ni kama how to reduce fats, something like that. So if you are talented on those areas, you can make videos about them, then upload it on your YouTube channel. So how to videos ziko wide. You can go to technology, unaweza enda mambo na cooking, finance and stock marketing, right? Ingine ni travel vlogs. Hiyo pia wasana napenda kuwatch. So if you are a Kenyans and you want to travel from different places, you can go to Nigeria, Tanzania, Uganda and make videos while you are traveling. So people also enjoy watching those kinds of videos. And another idea is trading, stock marketing, right? If you are good in cryptocurrencies, you can make video about them, because traders pia wako Kenya. They want to know how to trade and make profit, not losses. If you are good at that, you can make videos and upload them on your YouTube channel. Those are the videos that will make over 20 million Kenyans to watch you. So hope you found it useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next video.